Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I have some of my toothpicks out here. This one was sent in by Cue Ball, and this is the one that I wanted to fly today because I wanted to test out this Cadix onboard recording system that he has on here and just see how it looks and everything. My first test of it, make sure it works and all. I have tested it in the car, but I never flew it FPV and tested it and all. And so I'm out here to fly that. I was probably going to fly these two a little later, but right now this video is about this guy right here. I got my daughter Imani out here too. She's out here playing around. But I probably won't fly it too hard or do too much out here because we do have people out here with dogs and all. It's a little early in the day, people chilling out here on the benches and everything. Got some people over there on the steps, so I'm thinking I might just stick to this little area right here. My daughter's afraid of the dog back there. But yeah, let's get this guy up in the air, check out the video and all. I am going to fly at FPV. Kind of skeptical about flying at FPV.
I found a worm.
Okay, don't bring that over here. Keep that worm over there. Stop digging up stuff. She's over here digging up worms and stuff. Yeah, I just want to test out this camera on this thing, this onboard recording system from Cadix. So let's get it in the air. Yeah, yo, I was a fiend before I became a teen, flying coaxial helicopter Simons and seemed some RC orientated. So when quadcopters originated, four motors for better control sounded amazing. So I grabbed the micro and said, let's race, y'all. They making faces and say my drone too small. Cool. Cause I don't get upset. I kick over the gates, pull the flags, then I jet back to the lab, searching China sites and ads so I can add on the quads I had, one after the other one. When I got a hub, son, wasn't no stopping it. I had to get other ones. I get a craving like a fiending for sipping lean, but I don't need no robotussing. Know what I mean? Drone racing, quadcopters breaking, chop shots for days in. Franken quads made in the border, cause it's sort of an addiction. I had to fly, I'm on it fixing, testing the quad. I should have soldered with flux then, a lipo eruption. The wires was touching, quad started smoking. Definitely.